Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 3-bed, 3-bath residence with a 1-bedroom flat on approximately a quarter acre of land, located in the upscale neighborhood of Unity Hall, St. James. The property is fully fenced and has a remote controlled gate and garage door. The home features a single garage, 2 ground floor bedrooms, a bathroom, a spacious kitchen, and inviting patio spaces. The first floor boasts a large living room, a primary bedroom with an ensuite, a study with vaulted ceilings and air conditioners, patios upstairs, living area and hallway, overlook the front and backyards. The self-contained 1-bedroom flat can be used for guests, extended family, or as an income earning potential. The home has an intercom and a security system, plus a 2 800-gallon water storage tanks on the property. It is just 8 minutes to all amenities for a comfortable lifestyle. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 385,000 or Jamaican $61.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.